Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to evaluate this. The first thing we're going to do is take the log of each side. So this becomes log of root x to the x equals the log of x to root x. Now the reason we do this is because the powers can be brought down in front. So this becomes x log root x equals root x log x. We can now choose the base of the log to be anything that we want. So over here we've got an x squared, and over here we've got an x. So what base are we going to choose? I think a good base is root x. And the reason for that is it allows us to evaluate these logs quite easily. So what is the log of root x when it's got a base of root x? In other words, what power have we got to raise root x to get root x? And the answer is 1. Likewise, what power have we got to raise root x to get x? Well, the answer is 2, because root x times root x becomes just x. Now if we bring down the x here from above and we bring down this root x, we've got a much simpler expression. Rearranging, we get that x equals 2 root x. If I now divide both sides by root x, this is easy, this becomes just 2. And how many root x's in x? Well, it's root x. Remember that root x times root x equals x. So now we just have to square both sides, and we get that x equals 4. And that's our answer. Let's do a quick check. If x equals 4, then root 4 to the power of 4 should equal 4 to the power of root 4. Root 4 is 2, so this becomes 2 to the power of 4, and root 4 is 2, so this becomes 4 to the power of 2. 2 to the 4 is 16, 4 squared is 16, so we're good. The two things to remember here is that when we take the log of each side, then we can bring these powers down in front of the log. And the second thing to remember is that we can choose whatever base we want. So here we've chosen root x because it makes life easy. And that's it, we're done. Hope you found that useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe.